Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try out a couple of products that I got from Amazon. I am one of those that likes doing the eyeshadow first, so we are going to try out this Wet n Wild Mega Last eyeshadow primer. That's the first thing we're going to try. And see if it really works. I thought it would be white, but based on this picture, it does not look like it's white, but it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Dries, clear, transparent, long lasting. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, how am I supposed to put this on? It's just like I would use usually what's this, concealer? So is this like concealer? Like just as normal as you can get it? Okay. Alright. Oh, it kind of burns us. What the heck is going on? Okay, I don't like that. It's burning my eyelids and I don't know why, and that it hurts. They're like really cheap. So basically I'm trying out cheap makeup products from Amazon. Even think it's been 30 seconds, it's been enough. So I'm going to try this out. So let's see how this looks. So I'm going to use the color Buffalo Chicken from the Michaela Glam Light palette, her first one. I do my makeup differently because this is like the technique that has worked for me. But this is not a makeup tutorial. I'm just trying stuff out. Okay? Okay. Yeah. I don't see a difference as to when I use my concealer. Use my concealer instead of eyeshadow primer. And that's what I've been using. But I'm like, no, I should really get some eyeshadow primer. I have to add a little bit more than I usually do with the concealer. Now that I got it, I'm going to keep using it. But would I buy it again? I'll probably try another brand. Not the Wet n Wild though. I don't see a difference between me just using my concealer and this. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Finish my eyes. The Simba one actually looks a little brighter than it does with my concealer. So I guess it's working. It's just working in some better than others. The Simba one is this one. This is the Simba. Next new thing we're going to try is this e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I have tried a lot of e.l.f. products, but I've never tried the foundation. This is the color Beige Cool Fine Undertones. I thought it would be my color, but I think it's a little too dark, but we're going to test it out anyways. What I didn't notice until I received it, it says that it's medium coverage, so it's not full coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out now, and I'm just gonna pour some. Oh crap! No, actually I think it is my color. Yeah. Oh, it looks darker in the bottle. Huh. It's scented. Oh no! I don't know how that's gonna work with my skin. No! I was so excited to try this. It's working good. Wow, I look like a ghost. It's okay. It's okay though. I don't like that it has a smell. I don't like the fact that it has a freaking smell. Oh, so annoying. I mean, it's pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really nice. I like it. I don't like the smell. That's the only thing. Like, everything else is good. I don't like the smell. It's like a flowery smell. Overall, I like the coverage. It is a medium coverage. You can really tell that it's a medium coverage. It's not full coverage. I know you can't really tell because I have the ring light on and things like that, but like it is a medium coverage. But for being a medium coverage is not bad. I like it. I'll keep it for now. Will I get it again? I don't know because the smell is really throwing me off. It's like for me it's super strong, and I have kind of sensitive skin, so I don't know how that's going to work. What I do like about this is that it has the little pump, okay? And not only does it have the little pump, you can also take out the pump, you know, if you want to. The other one that I had, it was just a screw on, and then you have to do like this, and if you put too much, it was like, ah, it would go all over the place. So I really like this about this. I like the coverage. The coverage is nice. It's light. It does feel light and airy. It doesn't feel thick and like crusty. I don't like that it has smell. I don't like it. It's like really throwing me off. And my skin is not like super sensitive, but it's a little sensitive. So it's like I don't know how it's gonna work, but I do like it though. It's good. It does have a nice like finish, but I really like the color. It looks darker in the bottle than when you actually put it, like I showed you earlier. So that's a plus. That it was my color. I'm glad it was my color. I don't like the smell. That's the one thing that's throwing me off is the smell. It smells like flowery, which I usually don't mind, but not on makeup products. So if you're gonna get this, just a heads up, it does have a smell. So if you're very sensitive or have sensitive skin or you're sensitive to smell, just note that. You know, I have never had a foundation that has a smell. This is the first foundation that I've ever had that actually has like a smell to it. So it's weird to me. Maybe there's other foundations that have smells, but to me it's weird. Next, we're gonna try this Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer. It is the Palm Beach Ready one. So let's try to open this because I've been trying to open this for like 10 minutes now and I can't. Okay, it hasn't been 10 minutes, okay? But still, it feels like 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. Quick story about this. I bought it about a week ago. It came in, I opened the bubble wrap and it was broken. Completely broken. So I had to do a return to get a new one. Thankfully, the new one did come intact. But just note that if you're gonna order this, it might come broken, but they will like refund you for it or whatever. But yeah, this is my second one because the first one came broken. I had to return it. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try this. We're gonna get a new brush. Get a little bit. It's just, ooh. Can you kind of see? I can kind of see. And that's just right there. I didn't want it too dark, so this light, I think is okay. Did I do it right? Am I doing it right? I don't know if I'm doing it right. It does come on smooth. Like, I like the fact that it does come on smooth. It's really pretty. I didn't want it too dark, and it's not dark. It's just like the perfect shade. I just need to get better at putting it on, that's all. But like the shade is really good. I like it. Not dark, which that's what I was going for. I didn't want it to be too dark. So yeah, I like it. I like the color. I like how it's like really easily to like put on your brush and just put on. And I would get it again, 100%. The Wet n Wild one. I do want to try other brands, but Wet n Wild one, if you're on a pinch, if you're on a budget, this is perfect. So the last thing we're gonna do, I actually found this at Dollar Tree, but they do sell it on Amazon, and I'll link the link below. It is the Rimmel London Jelly Highlighter Illuminator. Okay, and I already opened it because I was like, what the heck is this? Don't tell me why I thought it was powder when on the thing it says jelly. I don't. Why did I think it was powder when the thing says jelly? Don't ask me, but it is jelly. Okay, it's like this liquidy jelly thing. I don't know if you can tell. But it's a really pretty color. I already tried it on my arm the other day. It's a jelly consistency. It is a jelly consistency. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. All right. Ooh. Okay, what did I do? I don't know what I did. I put too much in my finger. You're not supposed to put that much, okay? I put too much and it's like, okay. It feels weird. That's all I can say. It feels weird because it feels wet and cold, but I do like how it looks. When I look up close, I'm not really feeling it, but like when it's like from far away, I'm like, okay. Okay, so it's like I just need to adjust how much I put. Let's just try to put like a little bit on the other one to see how it works. It's not really working. It's not really working. Yeah, there we go. Had to put a little bit more. Okay. I like I like it. The fact that it's pinkish is like really throwing me off because I think that's gonna be like it's gonna be bright pink and it's really not. It's just really shiny. This is the color Candy Queen. Like you can kind of see the shimmer, which I like. I like it. I would use about this amount from now on. I don't know if you can see the shimmer versus this amount because this amount I think is too much. But I like it. I wish it was a little bit more shimmery because I've had highlighters that are like super shimmery and you can tell and it's like beautiful. And this is not it. This is more like a subtle glitter that like shimmer that like if you don't really know that it's there, you won't even notice. I would prefer other highlighters over this one, but I'd still use it. I have nothing against it. And that's it. Those are the things that I got from Amazon that I decided to try while I was doing my makeup routine, even though I have nowhere else to be. Okay, so everything that I reviewed in this video will be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more random videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.